Hi there, welcome to Option Pit. This is the Vol Report reminder. This is for education purposes only. Shouldn't be considered investment advice. Options have risk. Consult a financial professional. Oh, here we are. I am watching the markets, and here's what I'm seeing. I'm seeing a Russell 2000 that is slowly deteriorating, and a balance of the market that's pretty strong. The Nasdaq's been flopping between green and red. The S&P has basically been in a 2-point range, and the Dow has been in a 20-point range. So not a lot going on there, other than a rut. And, if you look at the rut, it's been a pretty good, as I've stated, it's been a pretty good predictor of where things might go. When it's gotten soft, that's been rough on the markets. The fact that the S&P has really been able to outpace but you can see how closely these things have been tied kind of since really, let's say, end of July, a couple of weeks. So it's interesting that it's particularly soft today. So, I'm not sure. We had some earnings out last night. The reason why we're down is Disney's off. I still like Disney. I think I use this as an opportunity to buy. There's been so much positives out of Disney so far. I think that we're going to see this thing continue to rally pretty nicely. The streaming service, I think, is a huge deal. And this is one that I'm going to be playing around with. Other names, Snapchat. It's off $1 after being up near 16 at one point last night. Here, let me pull up a tick chart here. It doesn't show the after hours, but after hours it got to near 16 before it gave it away. Would not be surprised to see it drop another $1 or two as the day wears on. Another name that had earnings that did real well is CVS. So interesting that CVS Healthcare did so well. So, just some things I'm watching. Also continue to keep an eye on names like Caterpillar, which is softer today, but has really meandered higher. Watching Apple. Apple was down by almost $2. It's now back to almost unched. Points toward maybe it going green, which could certainly pull the S&P higher. Looking at the major ETFs, biotech's off over 1%. Everything else pretty flat. Energy down. Really, energy, biotechs, and industrials are leading us lower. The financials and technology are up. So kind of the leaders are the leaders and the softies are the softies. I still like financials a lot, and I think there's some interesting opportunity in those. BAC is a name we continue to like to play and have a trade that I like a lot on. So there you have it, folks. Hey, if you have not been to, if you've not tried out the weekly wheel that I've been doing every week, make sure you go to optionpit.com/wheel to. Here, I'll find it here, folks. Should be anyway. Make sure you check out the wheel. It's got to be under our memberships. Here you go. So if you do the wheel, we've got a $7 trial. So you go to Option Pit members, just click on this wheel. It's right here. $7 to give it a try for a month. It's a neat little letter. We kind of pick out why we like selling some puts. We have some cool educational content. So check it out. All right, everybody. Hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.